We're 10 yards away. Let's see, we hit the IDPA head in the head with Glock 43. Old school, going back a few years. Okay, here we go. Let's see what happens. Oh, that one pulled away from me. That was fine. That was fine. All right, let's go check it out. They're a little bit high. I think I gave them a crew cut. Here we go. That's not horrible. 10 yards away. There's two there. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, let me load that puppy back up again. I want to see if I can shoot it again. Just remember where those are. I load it back up again. Still the same thing. 10 yards away. Glock 43. Let's see if I can do a little better. Let me see if I can get him a little bit lower. It'd help if I rack one. Here we go. Five for 5. Let's check it out. Check it out. We should have 10 in there. Let's see. Oh, they're getting a little better in the head there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That might be 9, 10. There's 10 there. You got them in there. Should we do 5 more? Yeah, what the hell. Okay, let me load it back up. We did. This is the 3rd time. Let's see if I get off. That'll be 15 in the head. Let's see what we could do. 10 yards away. Here we go. I hope so. I hope so. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. You think there's 15 in there? I hope so. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right. All right. All 15 are up there. All right. Till next time.